Hello, I'm Junio. I'm in charge of administration of the Dialogbook system. Today, I'd like to explain how to utilize the Dialogbook application um, by using mock project. Um, Briefly, let me share the screen of the Dialogbook here. Mm, okay, can you see uh, the screen? Um, Here you can see the many projects running this year, and I added one mock project here, and this mock project has two schools. The one school is A school. This is the foreign school, somewhere in foreign countries, and B school is the Japanese school, and A school has mock teacher A, and also the A school has mock student A. On the other hand, B school has only the mock teacher B. Of course, if you log in the system with the teacher's role, you can add the student account. How to add the student account is will be explained later. So I want yeah. So I logged out from the system with my account. Okay. Um. Firstly, how to find the dialog book is just type in Google dialog book and Google it. So the Google tells you the dialog book here, and URL is the https://dialogbook.hellocup.com, and just clicking here. The login prompt will appear. So I try to log in as a mock teacher A. Password here, 456. Okay. So here is the initial screen of the my page of teachers, my page. The the my page for teachers consists of three parts: comment parts and next meeting parts, and the teacher's dashboard in right here. So the most important function of the Dialogbook is meeting management. Once you click this meeting management link, the dashboard for upcoming meeting and the previous meeting will be shown here. Okay, let's start creating a new meeting. Clicking by create a meeting, and you can type in the name, mock meeting, and today it's September 8th, so I try to create tomorrow's meeting, September 9, and just create it. After new meeting was successfully added, the information of upcoming meeting will appear like this. Also, you can edit the information, and also you can delete it. Okay, let's go back to my page. So you can see the next meeting information like this, and everyone means not only the teacher but also students can add connection information. Meeting means the interaction class. So try to add connection information. Connection information means the connection between two groups. One group from foreign country, foreign schools, and the other group from Japanese schools. So clicking add connection information, you can type in a name, for example, group A, and members, Jun, Waka, and Junji, like this. And the most important information is URL. URL means the connection information provided by the online conference system like Zoom or WebEx or Google Meet or something like that. For example, https://zoom.com, blah, blah, blah. In practically, in practice, the things you have to do is copy and paste the information from this URL might be provided by the conference system. So only you can do is the copy and paste from such a system into this field. This field can be enlarged. Okay, I try to register the information. By clicking the register button, the information will be registered. Many as I mentioned previously, not only the teacher but also student can add the connection information, and in one meeting, plural connection information, many connection information can be added. And this information will be shared. Okay, I'll try to add the other grouping connection information like this group B, and members who, and bar, and bus, and URL like this, https meet google.com, blah, 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 and register it. So you can find the both information of group A and B. Okay, this information can be shared between the two schools in not only two schools but same the school participated in the same project. For example, I try to log out first and log in to mock teacher B. That means I try to access the Dialogbook with the as a teacher, mock teacher B. Mock teacher B is a member of school B in Japan side. As you can see, the mock meeting, the information of the mock meeting is shared between two schools. like this. So only your student have to do is clicking this information, clicking this link to start to launch the teleconference online meeting system. Okay. Next, I like to okay. Once again, I logged out and log in with the mock teacher A password here. Okay, this is the my page for the mock teacher A. Next, the teacher can add the user accounts for students by using this user account management function. By clicking this link, user account management, you can see the users list registered for your school, and and this is your account. No, sorry, this is mock student A. This is mock student account. Previously, I prepared for the explanation. Um, you can create a user by clicking this button and put the username, mock student, then B, and full name, the mock student B, and password here. Okay. Password should contain more than 6 characters. And create it. Okay, you can see the mock student B was registered to your school. Let's go back to my page. Next, I'd like to explain the lessons management functions. Lesson management functions. You can add lessons information by using this function. By clicking this link, lessons list will appear, and you can create a new lesson like this. So title the the lesson number 1 and create it. So after you create the lesson, the lesson information will appear in students my page, and lesson information also can also have rubric information, rubrics. By clicking this edit link, as you can see, the lesson title can be modified, and you can add create a new rubric item. For example, did you understand the aim of this project, or something like that, and create it. Okay, I am going to add a more new rubric. Did you prepare something you talk about? Something for your Okay, and create it. So you can see the two rubrics added to the lesson one, lesson number one. Let's explain how to how this information will be shown in a student my page. Okay, so after logout and I log in as a mock student A password like this. You log in. This is the students my page. The difference between the teachers one and that of students, as you can see, student can add the comment to the teacher. And also the difference is here in the place, in the right place, student has the information of lessons information. Student can enter in self-scoring by using rubric which was set by teachers. By clicking this yellow bar, the rubric, the teacher has already set up will appear like this. Did you understand the aim of this project? So student can answer not at all or a little bit done and well done, or did you prepare something for your talk? Not at all, from not at all to well done. And okay, and student have to click this blue update your evaluation button. After clicking this button, the self-scoring information registered to the database. Of course, this information can be modified as you like this. Level 2 and level 3, update your evaluation. The information can be changed, modified. Okay, let's move on the explanation of comment function, chat function, or BBS, something like that. Once the student added the comments like this, hi teacher, hi teacher, how are you doing? Like this, and the clicks after enter in the comments, student have to click this submit button. Okay, the comment will be comment was registered like this. To explain how to the comment will be sent to the teacher, I have to log out first and log into the log in again as the teacher's role, mock teacher A, mock teacher A, password here, and login. So the mock teacher A received the student message here. Hi teacher, how are you doing? And the teacher can reply to the comment. I'm fine. And you, and submit it. by submitting the by replying the comment from student will dismissed like this. And uh, that's all. The dialog book is very simple application. Simple application. So the explanation is that's all. If you have any question about using this application, don't hesitate to ask me. Please, please feel free to contact me. Okay, that's all.